Okay, so let's do 18-6. So the point of this exercise is that you have a transaction that for real estate where this one company, which is the Real Estate Incorporated, Real Estate Incorporated is basically selling land to Black Hawk Group, right? So these are the two parties. So we are looking at their contract. So and our issue is the revenue or transaction price that we should get at this point, right? Of the contract. So here, when you sold the land, you're selling it for $3 million, and the rest is 1% of the royalty from the mall sale. So this is land sale, and the mall sale is for 1% of retail sales from the mall. So now, if you look at it, if you take 1% of what Black Hawk estimates, right? Black Hawk is the mall builder, a developer. So now, if you the Black Hawk thinks that there will be $1 million of sale. Now, if you estimate that, the number comes out to be $10,000. I did this calculation, and it's not a big number. On the other hand, the situation tells you that the real estate, estate company bill, right? So the bill, was assuming that there's a lot of internet sale, and so online sales will make the overall sales much nicer, and then you are that he prefers a price of 3,250, right, rather than 3 million, and that will take care of that 1%. So now you don't need that 1%, but although 250,000 is not such a big number compared to the $3 million. But the Black Hawk rejected this deal. So you have 250,000 additional money that was being asked, and then you take 1% of 1 million that I showed you. It's 10,000. Now there's so much variability. It seems like there's no reliability of what the number is going to be in terms of the sale, the transaction price. So when there's less reliability, you cannot call this number and include that in the transaction price in the beginning. What you can do is take 3 million, because there's a reliability here, and let as the time passes, based on that sale, recognize revenue. Okay, include that in the revenue, but not in the beginning. Okay, so that's the point. You remember in the first lecture the idea of sales, where companies try to make it a much bigger number, than what the number is going to be. Now this is an ideal situation where you have not reliability of revenues, and so there's no good probability of any in these numbers happening. So now take the number which is reliable. That's the point.